The video you just watched is a dark sensor circuit according to the uploader. The demonstration shows that his project seems to be working well. We will find out, and I will show you if what he is saying in the video is right. If we watch the video, we will notice that in the schematic diagram alone is a mistake compared to what he is actually doing. He shows in the video that he installed two 150K resistors and he installed them in parallel. But the one in his schematic is only 50K. If anyone who does this knows nothing about electronics and just follows what is in the video, it is unlikely to work like this one. In this video we will find out if the circuit is real and if the connection and parts used for the dark sensor circuit shared by an enthusiast are correct. We will now imitate exactly what he did so that we will know if what he is showing is correct. Two 100K resistors, a 1K resistor, BC 547 transistor, light-dependent resistor LDR, 9 VDC battery, and LED. By the way, the color coding of 100K is brown, black, yellow, and he used brown, green, yellow, and it is 150K. For better understanding of resistor color coding, please visit the link in the description. We will now use two 100K and we will install it according to its construction. Coupling two resistors of the same value in parallel equals only 1. Even if the two resistors have different values, the higher value will still prevail. So we've all connected and we'll test if it really works. There, maybe you will see. Not working. Let's try to remove a 100K resistor. So, it still doesn't work. But we will notice that there will be a reaction to the LED when we cover the LDR. It shines a little. In a sense, his connections are correct. The value of the resistor he shows according to the video is just wrong. How he activates it is only he who knows. I will now show you the correct components for this thing to work. In the example I made, we used his circuit connection. We just changed the load resistance from 100K and we made it 540K. You will notice that I used two 270K and I connected it in series so that we have a total of 540K. You will also notice the reaction of the LED if we only use 270K. So we need to increase the resistance and we double the 270K. There we have a real dark sensor circuit. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you like it you can subscribe to my channel for similar videos. You can also press the like button for support. Thanks for watching.